Before I go any further, I gotta know, is there anyone here, Poplar Bluff, has done something really crazy? Some kind of extreme stuff. Let's see what we got, guys. You first, you ready? Here we go. Yeah!
Explain what that is compared to what we normally see. Well guys, flatland freestyle is a little different than the things you've probably seen on TV or even the X Games. As you can tell, we don't have any ramps or rails down here. That's because freestyle skaters only need their board and a nice flat piece of ground. We're all about flip tricks. We'd like to see how many different ways we can flip the board and land back on. And we like to put those into combinations, what we call a run. And every now and then you'll see us doing some more old school tricks, maybe some handstands or finger flips. All right, Poplar Bluff, you guys want to see a run? It's the way it works. The louder you get, the more he's going to do, more excited he'll be. Take it away, DJ Riley. All right, everybody, here we go. There you go, let's close. This let's close flipping 2 or 3 times in the air when he does these tricks. He makes it look easy, but my friends, it's not easy. Oh yeah! Come on now, he's going through here! Come on! Bam! Here we go! Woo! What you think, Poplar Bluff? He's doing this for you guys. Here we go. Watch this. Today, probably because they do lots of noise picking themselves. Anyway.